What's up, guys? Welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. So today we're in a different setup because I'm just doing a quick little intro. Almost forgot to do my intro, which we can't get to do an intro when it came out looking as good. Today is a very exciting video because BTARTBOX. If you don't know what BTARTBOX is, it is a nail company that offers a wide range of different nails, from press-ons to, I didn't figure this one out, some gel toenails, oh my gosh. Some gel nails for the toes. They also have a bunch of different nail styles as well, such as these beautiful chrome ones, which I got the chance to pick out the ones that I wanted, and I definitely wanted to recommend you guys these type of nails because these are perfect for the wedding season. They have also given me a 10% off coupon code. It's SAHA, my first couple of letters of my name, Sahara, and then 10 for 10% off. So I will pop it up on the screen, which I will also leave their socials down below, including the link to the website, the link to Amazon, so you can use my code wherever you shop at for your BTARTBOX nails. And I just want to say ahead of time, go ahead and check out if you've been eyeing them. They're worth it. BTARTBOX, you're worth it. Had my little Maybelline BTARTBOX moment. Anyways, I was like, a makeup look to match. Let's not forget to mention that Mother's Day is coming up. Say less. Let's go ahead and get started on this video. So I am just going to be switching over to a voiceover so it's easier for me to actually do the nails and show you at the same time and tell you about them. So this is the box that it came in of all of the goodies. Everything was very well packaged, bubble wrapped, and all that it needed to be to arrive safely. First, I'll just start with the packaging and then we can go through the product. So this is the UV LED nail lamp. Instructions tell you to connect to USB, and then you'll tap power button once for a 60 seconds cure, or press and hold power button for 2 seconds for 120 seconds cure. So that's 1 minute or 2 minutes. Next product is the French Protecting Duo X Coat Tips. So we are working with the X Coat Tips, by the way. And this includes the Builder Gel and Top Coat Set. Next product is the gel glue, which of course you'll use that to stick on the nails, and all of these products need that UV LED lamp to cure it and make sure that it sticks on and stays on. Then we have the soft gel press-ons. Now these don't need any type of UV LED products or nail lamp. This actually comes with the sticky tabs and the glue, and also all of the other products you need to clean your nails and to make sure that these stick and last as long as they can. So as you guys can see, it does come with everything you need. And I also really love how this was packaged. It's definitely packaged a little bit different from the typical press-ons. They included like everything, and it also had the extra nails in a little plastic bag. I don't know, I just love how it was the presentation for me, basically. And the nail glue, I'm just gonna tell you guys ahead of time, this nail glue definitely made it easy to apply because it's in that like little skinny tube, so you can focus it in on the nail so it doesn't get too messy. Double-sided nail grit. One side has 100 grit to it and the other side is 180, so that just takes it up a notch. And of course you'll use this to file down your nails or to also file the surface. And then the last product we have is the X Coat Tips, the 150 piece set in square, short to long. So these are for the toenails. The press-ons of course are for your fingernails. So we're doing manicure and pedicure in this video, by the way. And these are also the French tips. On the box, X Coat Tips are made from a patented BTMMA soft gel material that feels more natural and comfortable. And can we also just take a moment to appreciate the fact that they gave 150 pieces in a 5-piece set like this, so these will last you a long time. Like, I think that UV products typically last you about a month, and then like there's so many, so all summer long, all spring and summer long. You know, it's the seasonal sets for me. I thought I would just keep this in a video. They also gave this card for you to scan for the tutorial, but you don't need that tutorial. I'm about to give you the tutorial myself. First thing I am just going to start off by doing is plugging in the nail lamp, and again it does come with the USB cord. Now you do have to keep it plugged in at all times. It is not rechargeable. I just turned off my overhead lamp, which is just my ring light, by the way, just to show you guys how it looks in the dark. So of course, again, you press once for 60 seconds and press and hold for the 120 seconds. Now, mind you guys, I am filming a short as well as a full-length video for these nails, so you'll have to excuse the fact that I'm, got two different things going on at once. But I'll just go through the steps, my process of how I did this. I first went in with the nail file to file down the nails. I used 180 grit. Then I wiped it off with the alcohol. There's 2 alcohol pads. You'll just need 1 for your toes. And then you'll find the correct sizes. I went through, found all of the sizes. I then went in with the gel glue, and you want to apply the gel glue to your real nail and then some to your fake nail. You don't need a whole lot, but just enough. And then with any nails, no matter if it's press on or the gel, you want to start by pressing it down by your cuticle and then pressing it, forward, holding it forward. And that's with any nails. So then you'll flash cure for 15 seconds, which means that you'll just hold the nail, because this glue does not dry down or get tacky. So the nail will go sliding. So you want to hold it for 15 seconds. And then once it, is dry enough, then you'll go back in for the full 1 minute, 60 seconds. And the light does turn off when it's finished. We'll just wait until it finally goes off, by the way. Yeah, any second now. It's still going. And it does not have any sound, so you'll just have to keep an eye on it when that light finally goes out. All right, I just cut the video to it going out because it's going to take a little while longer, and we don't have all day. Next thing I did after gluing all the nails down before moving to any of like the builder gel and top coat was I just filed around, because extra glue just seeped out. How did Drake say it? Stomach on flat flat. Yeah, mine is not that. So it's a little harder for me to reach to the toes. So some glue did get out, which is not a big deal. Of course, you could just take a little bit of alcohol, rub around when it's on your skin, when it's fresh on your skin. Once you cure it, you're just going to file it down because it is dry. It doesn't burn or anything, but of course you don't want any of these gel products staying on your skin. So yeah, I'm just filing it down. I'm also filing the top part where I broke the nail off from the actual pack. Here's a little before and after of the builder gel. On the left side I didn't add it, on the right side I did. You guys can see how dry it looks versus how glossy it's starting to look and come together. So yeah, all you have to do is just add 1 layer of the builder gel and cure that for 60 seconds. Now, something I did notice is that even though it said to cure it for 60 seconds, I noticed that the builder gel was still tacky. Now, I don't know much about gel products, so I don't know if builder gel dries down all the way or if it's supposed to, but definitely don't go without adding that top coat, because you're definitely going to need that for it to fully cure down and dry. All right, now the last thing I did was added the final top coat. Now for this top coat, I only did 1 layer, just like I did 1 layer for the other products. But instead of 60 seconds, I went ahead and cured every top coated nail for 120 seconds, which means 2 minutes, of course. So it took a lot longer, but I wanted to make sure it was dry through and through, because again, with the builder gel, I don't know how well that's supposed to dry, but because it was still tacky, I just wanted to make sure that everything was, fully dry. So the 2 minutes definitely did the trick. And I did get a little messy, as you guys can see, with the top coat. I got too carried away because I was like, yes, we're getting to the end. And before I show you guys the completed look, we are going to move on to the manicure. I know you didn't forget about the manicure. We just did the pedicure, so we got to move on to the fingernails. So I'm going to go ahead and find my right size. I was looking for the number on these nails. I don't know if it got rubbed off when these nails were made, but I didn't see the number under there, so I'm just going to find it by just putting it up against my finger, of course. Now that we have all of the right size nails, I'm going to take this, what are these sticks called? Like cuticle pushers or something like that. I'm just going to take these just to push the skin back and, clean the cuticles up. I'm still not there yet with cutting my cuticles, so I just push them back, file them, do all I got to do. And by the way, I do have this band-aid on because I was using a razor to remove the peach fuzz off my face, of course. We want smooth skin out here and good looking nails. I went to clean the razor and it just cut my skin, so that's why I have this band-aid on. But we're going to take it off by the end of this completed look. I am also using the nail file that comes with this kit. It is a little bit softer on the nails, definitely doesn't have that harder grit. I like the or tougher grit, I should say. I like the tougher one a little bit better because it really gets down to the nitty-gritty. So if you know, if they had the option to purchase either or, I would prefer just getting the double-sided one, the longer one that has the better grit to it. But yeah, this one gets the job done as well. Just depends on your preference. And look at this, my whole nail just came off. I personally don't like cutting my nails before applying press-ons. I like that press-ons gives your real nails the chance to grow. And I don't know, but I feel like my real nails are always more healthier when I have fake nails on top of them, protecting them from the dangers. So I don't cut mine, I just like to file it down, but that one, it just went on its own. And then I'm just going to use the other alcohol pad. It's good that they most likely unintentionally gave you two sets of alcohol pads, one for the manicure and one for the pedicure. So I'm just going to go ahead and clean the nail off. I did do a little bit more filing down with a drill off camera just to really get my the skin under the cuticles up. I don't know, because somebody did say that the skin that you typically think is the cuticle, it's not the cuticle. What is the cuticle is like under that skin. So I don't know. I just do a little bit more cleaning around in that area since I don't cut that skin off, you know, the dead skin. Now we can finally apply these nails. I am again going to use the nail glue. You can of course use these sticky tabs. Sticky tabs last anywhere from a couple of days to a week. It just depends. But the glue can last a week or longer. So I am just going to apply a little bit in the center, like towards the center. I usually do a little strip in the middle just because, of course, as you press down, the glue does spread. And I don't apply any extra glue on the actual nail just because I just feel like it's just going to spread and go everywhere anyway. So yeah, I'm just going to hold it down for about 10 seconds for each nail. And like I mentioned, angle it down by the cuticle first and then press towards the front, just like you would do with the gel nails. And then I'm going to go ahead and take the alcohol pad that's pretty much dry, but I'm just using the extra just to get rid of the glue that might have seeped through on the sides. And how stunning do the nails look? I love how everything turned out. I love how the Frenchies turned out. I love how this chrome turned out. I think it'll be perfect for a wedding, Mother's Day, any special occasions that you have coming up. I just love how everything turned out, and I love how easy it was to use. Of course, press-ons are always easy to use, but even the gel was easy to use. Now, it does take some getting used to with the toenails because, of course, you know, I can hardly reach as it is, but that's more of like a personal problem. And another thing, nothing was irritating on my skin because, of course, as you guys seen, some of the gel got on my skin, but I just removed it after it dried. And then I removed some of it before it dried, so everything was everything. I will leave all of the products down below. I will also pop my coupon code up on the screen once again so you guys can save some coin on all of the products that you get. Let me know what you end up picking up. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I'm trying to stall right now so that you can see these, you know, these clips up on the screen. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. And a huge thank you once again to BTARTBOX. Really, really do appreciate it.